Welcome back to the woodshed, folks. For some time I've been meaning to make a nice wooden holder for my files, much like the one on the Wood by Right channel. However, it's time consuming. So here's a simple little project, and the beauty of it is it's simple and fast. Just make a holder using these magnetic strips for knives. They're real cheap. This is just a piece of scrap wood that I cleaned up, and it holds everything just fine. On the back is a French cleat. You just hang on a tool wall with everything else. And if you're OCD, you can put them nice and straight, like that. And yeah, it'll attract some metal filings, but you can brush those right off. I quite like these. Note to self, buy some more screws, different lengths. Smart man would have done this before screwing those down. But here you are watching me instead. Thanks for watching.